What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you haven't already done so, hit that like and subscribe button because we are all about finding the best free or highly discounted AI generation programs because my goodness, things are getting impossibly expensive right now. So the purpose of this video is we are going to create a video using AI, but not just a video, a music video. And why is that challenging? With videos, we have to sync the lips up with the audio. And you may have seen my previous videos, but I have tried a number of music video generation programs and all of them have flopped, except for one manual method using Openart AI. Cremi is the program that we are going to be trying today that claims that its process has gotten faster and better. And we are going to be testing that workflow out today. And this should make your life so much easier. So here we are in the Cremi main page. We're going to go ahead and we're going to go to the app. And as you see here, we are in My Projects, and there's a Flow Projects area, and they are deprecating this. They are getting rid of this. We are now in Studio Projects, and this is the one that they're claiming is so much better. It does disclaim, though, that we are in alpha mode, and we might run into occasional issues. In the last few weeks, I've spent hours and hours in the process of creating music videos and regenerating images and regenerating videos, and it just wasn't working. And now they're promising that this is much, much better, much easier. But we are going to test that right now. So here we are. What you would want to do is you want to click on Create Music Video and Create New. So let's go ahead and push this. All right, here we are, and we have to upload our song. So let's grab our song. And this song is going to be by one of my AI avatars, Olivia Starr. So let's grab the song and drag it in. All right, and I use ChatGPT to help me with the visual scenes or the prompts. And then my character, I'm going to choose Olivia. And we're going to create her mom in here as the second character. So we'll name her Laura Starr. And let's upload. So let's go ahead and create this. This is not going to start generating the images to videos. And that's how the software works, you guys. It goes images first. And it's going to create a storyboard, so you get to preview your images before you go ahead and generate those images into videos. Let's start the analysis. All it's doing is analyzing the track, rhythm, tempo, lyrics, mood, genre, and song structure. We're almost done. Okay, that is done, and it looks like we have our timeline here with the song segments, and it has the lyrics. And let's see here. Approve and continue to ideation up there, and then down here it's the same thing. So here we go, continue to ideation. All right, it's done analyzing our song, and what I love about Cremi is it gives us three different options, three different storyboards that we can go with here. So let's check this out. So this one is called Roots and Wings. Wow, okay, that one looks really good. Let's check out this one. Oh, I really like this one. She's holding and playing a guitar. I like the close-ups on her face there, and this one, I don't know if that's her mom or if that's her. I can't really tell. Okay, and let's go over here in this one. Yeah, so I don't really see, okay, I see her mom in this one. I think they combined her and her mom because that is definitely not Olivia Starr. That's her mother, Laura. All right, so let's go back to this first one. Okay, not bad. I think I need to make her mother older looking. Okay, we're going to go with this one, Chasing Song, and hopefully the guitar and the singing, her lips will line up. Her guitar playing and her lips will line up with the lyrics. All right, so we're going to go with this one here. And here are our colors, our color palette, our themes. And let's go ahead and create or generate our storyboard. All right, we are in the middle of the process of Cremi AI generating the images for our storyboard. So this is pre-video generation, but I don't know if I mentioned this earlier, but this is the AI director in Cremi, and this is what makes it so new and revolutionary, is that you can see the AI working on the left side and talking to itself, and even giving you or giving me an option to make changes right down here where it says rework a scene into a new idea, edit shots, storyboard, regenerate all images. This is becoming more commonplace for these AI generation or music video generation programs with this director feature. But this director feature in Openart AI, this is the one that costs about 65,000 credits. And Cremi AI, this should only cost me 10,000 credits. So crossing my fingers, waiting for these images to finish generating, and then we will go ahead and generate our videos from these scenes. All right, our storyboard is complete. Let's take a quick look. This looks fantastic, you guys. So I'm really excited about this. And if I wanted to make any modifications in this storyboard or on the storyboard, I can do that. You can regenerate the images if you'd like. But I'm pretty confident that this is going to come out decent. I have the prompt from ChatGPT that I used to create my scenes that I plugged into Cremi. So again, the more prepared that you are and the more detailed you are, the better your results are going to be. So take your time with this because it's not cheap. All right, let's go ahead and generate all the videos. All right, so it's been 2.5 hours and it looks like every scene has been generated except for the last scene, scene 23. So the first thing I'm going to try here is I'm going to go over here to the chat and I'm going to request the AI to help fix this. So I tried generating this video about 4 times and it keeps blocking. So I think this is what's really holding it up. These other videos took about 1.5 hours. So let's go ahead and ask the chat to help us with this. I'm going to ask the AI to create the video without the audio and we'll see what happens. Hopefully that'll help. Okay, and if that doesn't work, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this frame and I can just download the frame, and I'm going to also take the prompt, the shot 1 through 4, and I'm going to drop this into Openart AI, and I'm going to have Openart AI generate the last scene for us. So, and if you haven't seen my video in Openart AI and how I generate music videos like the manual way, you might want to go check that out, and I'll leave a link for that below in the description. All right, let's see what happens with Cremi generating the last scene. And I'm not too concerned about the music, the audio, because I have the audio track that I'm going to be dropping in anyway, the mastered audio track. So I'm going to be silencing the audio in all of these clips anyway. Okay, so the chat is essentially telling me that your other 22 scenes are complete and your video is available from the exports tab. For the failed scene, the support team can look at options directly. I don't want to have to contact support right now, but it looks like I can render the final video, and that would make my editing a lot easier. So let's see if I can render the final video. And yeah, we are going to go to Openart AI to generate the last 15 seconds. All right, so let me hop over there now. Okay, here we go. And I did it. I plugged everything in. So let's just take a quick look. Okay. That was Kling. No, I definitely did use Kling for that. That's why it came out a little weird. Okay, so we'll go with C-Dance 2.0 and let me copy the prompt and come down here. This is going to be 15 seconds, 600. Okay, 600 credits at 720p. I can deal with that. All right, let's go ahead and regenerate this. Okay, and we're back to Cremi, and is it rendering our final video? All right, generate remaining 1. Yeah, it's telling me to contact support for this. That I do not like. Let's just try to do this one more time, and then we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna start stitching this video together, and I'll show you that in a sec. So there were a lot of small edits that I had to add in here, a lot of small short video segments I had to add in here because the AI did not get the lip syncing correctly. So yes, I did have to make some edits, but I'm going to let you watch the video. But before I show you the video, let me just give you my experience with this and then we'll wrap this video up, okay? So with Cremi AI, it's still a process. It still takes 2 to 3 hours to create a video. It is much easier than doing the manual method, which I did with Openart AI in my last tutorial video. But you still have to make modifications and edits and additions. And Cremi it doesn't bring your video to 100% ready to go. And as of right now, there's no software that does that. Not even Openart's 65,000 credit director's cut. It doesn't work. So your best bet is to do it manually or do this hybrid, which is use software like this or Openart AI's Director's Cut. And then you're going to have to bring it into CapCut or your favorite editing software and edit it anyway, regardless. I feel like the AI is getting closer. The programs are getting closer to that. All right, enough talk. Let's watch the video.
Made our little house feel full of love. She turned the radio up real loud and danced with me around the house. When life got hard, she'd say, "You're fine. Hold your head up, give it time. Everything good in this heart of mine comes from where I get my shine." But Mama's where I get my shine. She was there through every fall. She always came when I would call. When my first love broke my heart, she held me close there in the dark. Now I'm out here chasing songs, but her keeps me strong, no matter where this road may wind. Mama's where I get my shine. Mama said, go on, chase that dream. Be who you were born to be. She gave me roots, she gave me wings. She taught my heart how to believe. Every little spark you see, Mama said, go on, chase that dream. Be who you were born to be. She gave me roots, she gave me wings.
All right, I'm going to stop the video there. If you want to see the video, I can leave the link below in the description so you guys can check that out. And yeah, there's still work to be done with this. So I still have about maybe an hour to go before I can post this on my YouTube channel. And yeah, the lip syncing was off. I added a lot of those little segments, and it still needs work. So while it is better than what it was, it's better than what Cremi was a couple weeks ago. So the programs are getting better. And it is cheaper to use Cremi than Openart AI's music video, their director feature. So if you guys are decent at editing, doing some video editing, and you don't mind doing a little bit of video editing, try Cremi out. I'll leave a link in the description below. And this cost me about 8,500 credits, which I think is fairly reasonable for a music video. So keep up the good work. If you haven't already done so, hit that like and subscribe button, hit that notification bell, because we have a lot of great videos coming up on how to save you money and how to find the best AI tools for free or at really good discounts, because that's our objective here. So thanks everyone, and I will see you all on the next video.